to some mathematics. In this video, given that 2a minus 3b plus c is equal to minus 5 and 2a plus 3b minus c is equal to 8, we are to evaluate this expression. Okay, now this is a problem in algebra, so you need high manipulative skill to be able to solve this. You have two equations. If you decide to solve it simultaneously, you'll be in hell. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, we want to rewrite the equation. Let's start from the second one. So 2a plus 1, let's put this one in bracket, 3b minus c is equal to 8. Let's label this one as equation 1. Okay, so the second equation here, we want to rewrite this so that it will be the same as this, and in doing that we can bring the negative out. And when we bring the negative out, this sign will be negative, so that when you expand, you still get the same expression. So we have 2a minus 3b minus c is equal to minus 5. Let's label this one as equation 2. So let's look at the expression carefully. On the left hand side, we have 2a here, 2a here. We have 3b minus c, 3b minus c. Now only the sign differs, right? So let's multiply the two equations. Equation 1 times equation 2. So we have in a bigger bracket 2a plus 3b minus c times 2a minus 3b minus c. Bring your bracket is equal to, we are multiplying, so 8 times minus 5. Okay, from difference of two squares, if you have x plus y times x minus y, then we are going to have x squared minus y squared. Now let's go back to the expression. See, we have 2a here, 2a here, 3b minus c, 3b minus c. So only the sign differs here, so we can apply difference of two squares. So from that, we are going to have 2a all squared minus 3b minus c all squared. Then 8 times 5 minus 5 will be minus 40. Okay, now let's expand. So this is 4a squared minus, okay, let's expand this one first. Square this one, 9b squared, 2 times 3b, that will be times c, so minus 6bc, then plus c squared, then we bring your bracket, which is equal to minus 40. Okay, so 4a squared, let's open the bracket, minus 9b squared minus, then this one will be plus 6bc, then this one will be minus c squared is equal to minus 40. Okay, now let's go back to the expression that we were told to. So that expression is 6a squared minus 27 on 2bc b squared plus 9bc minus 3 on 2c squared. This is the expression that we have been asked to evaluate. Now looking at it carefully, there is a term in a square here, there is a term in b square, there is a term in bc, and then there is a term in c square. So looking at this term here, right, let's try to multiply this by 3 on 2. Now why are we doing that? We really want to get this expression from the previous expression. So we are not going to do that to only c squared. If you are doing this, then we have to do this to the all the terms. So let's multiply through by 3 on 2. So we are going to have 3 on 2 times 4a squared, then minus 3 on 2 times 9b squared, then plus 3 on 2 times 6bc, then minus 3 on 2 times c squared, which is equal to minus 40 times 3 on 2. Okay, 2 will go into 4 2 times, so we have 3 times 2, which is 6a squared. Now minus 3 times 9 is 27, so we have minus 27 on 2b squared. Now 2 will go here, 3, so we have 3 times 3 plus 9bc. Good. And then this one is already there, so we have minus 3 on 2c squared, and 2 will go into 40, that is 20 times. So minus 20 times 3, which is minus 60. Good. So looking at the left hand side, it is the exact expression that we were asked to evaluate. So our answer is minus 60. Thank you very much for watching this video. I know you have enjoyed the video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.